Oh yes, it's that time. 6 weeks of finding our new representative. And now we are down to our final 8 acts. Let's take a look back at their incredible journeys as we delve into the path of our final 8. The recap of our top 8 talents. Up first, let's go back to when we met Delicious D.
My name is Delicious D. I am now 24 years old. I'm from Cymru and I am a quarter finalist.
It's a loop pedal, loop pedal, loop pedal, loop pedal, loop pedal.
He was so clever and he was so fascinating to watch.
I don't wanna know that, babe.
That's just like a different level for me.
She knows, take a reload. I don't wanna know that.
I didn't feel like I was at an audition. I felt like I was at a festival.
Love.
Talent Search Cymru has been so good to me. Over these last few weeks, I've learned so much about myself. I've pushed myself more than I ever have before. Meeting all these amazing people has been so good for me. I've made such good friends. And yeah, it's just been a phenomenal time.
Delicious D is one of the first loop pedal artists that have graced our platform.
It was stunning just to hear, you singing.
Begging you, put your love in hand, cause I'm begging you, put your love in hand, I'm begging you.
The energy and passion on stage, it just oozes into everyone else in the room, and you can just get us bopping along with the real great along.
My favourite performance so far, my favourite moment in Talent Search Cymru is when I performed Girls Like by Tiny Temper with just my loop pedal in my voice and my silly hat. The energy was phenomenal and I felt more authentic to me, and just being able to give out that fun energy just felt perfect for me, and that's my favourite moment so far.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, let's 3 back. Let's 3 back.
There is not a word I can use to describe how good that was.
Every time I know you're coming, I get so giddy with excitement.
Absolutely mind blown by that.
When I was selected for the series, there was no way I was going to make it this far. I like to believe in myself, but after watching that first auditions and seeing incredible talent from everyone else, I was thinking, oh gosh, I'm not sure if I'm out of my depth here. But I'm so happy that I have been able to. I've really worked myself hard to get to this point, so I'm very grateful that I am.
Yeah, I needed some love. Yeah, I told you I needed some love. Yeah, I needed some love. Yes, I told ya.
To So being in the quarterfinals is such a phenomenal opportunity. Leading up to this, being able to watch my peers and those around me grow exponentially week after week has been able to push me and get me to work harder than ever to try and be here. I am so grateful for the opportunity, and I can't wait to see what everyone's going to bring.
Up next, let's take a look at Melissa's journey.
Hi, I'm Melissa. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Newport. And I am a quarter-finalist of Talent Search Cymru.
You've got such a lovely tone when you're having those high notes.
The performance was great. The range of your voice, like Lily said, was incredible.
That was a beautiful performance.
Melissa has gradually built in confidence over the past few weeks.
I didn't think she would get this far, to be honest, because of her confidence and her shyness. But she has done very well and we are so really, really proud of her.
So far, during the process of Talent Search Cymru, I've really enjoyed making new friends and I've learned to have more stage presence and be more confident during being on stage.
I need a man who's patient in life, gets out of the car and close the door. I want to slow dance and live it through life. We're 18 and senior from the ground.
It was such a pretty performance and I loved that you picked a song that I felt matches your character. You're such a sweet person.
My father loves my mom. I need a man who loves me like my father loves my mom.
My favourite performance that I have done so far is Castles on Tempo Week because I had the chance to loosen up and I felt way more confident being up on stage.
Castles from the rubble of your love, from the rubble of your love, I'm gonna be.
That was by far your best performance.
You had thought I was, you had thought I was. Castles.
Song choice was perfect for you. I loved the way you stepped down from the stage and you used every part of what you had.
Absolutely so over the moon and so proud of you right now.
When Melissa made it into the quarterfinals, I was so proud of her to see how far she has come.
When they announced that I made the quarterfinals, I felt very shocked that I made it because I didn't think I would get this far and I was very happy about it.
I don't wanna say goodbye, cause this one means forever.
You've got such an angelic voice, honestly, your tone is just stunning.
As a 6 piece never found so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard for a million different reasons.
Prior to filming, you know, the track difficulties we had, you still powered through like a professional tonight.
Left the rest in pieces.
I just want to say to Melissa, just go out there and do your best. That's all you can do. Whatever the outcome, you know we are very proud of you.
Now let's take a look at the journey of Chelsea.
Hiya, I'm Chelsea, I'm 21, I'm from Bargood and I am quarter-finalist.
So keep me in your mirror, but don't take your eyes off the.
I loved it. I absolutely loved it. You give me goosebumps and I felt everything in that song.
Cause we got a long way to go.
Wow, Chelsea, what an audition. And I mean that was sensational.
And I didn't want it to end. The runs were perfect. I didn't hear you go off pitch at all. Loved it.
We have seen Chelsea bring her distinctive sound week in and week out.
I've gained so much confidence since being in the programme and I can't wait to be in the quarterfinals.
You know that I am absolutely in love with your voice on the show. Everything you do is so special.
I've been
this week and you did even better than you did last week. It was such a good performance.
Well done, Chelsea, on another flawless performance.
When I was selected for the series, I never thought in a million years I'd get as far. So my favourite performance out of all my performances has got to be Stand Up.
I'm so glad we just threw you in the deep end and you took on that challenge. You've done it so well.
But I can honestly say that you went up there and you absolutely smashed Up-Tempo Week.
You are amazing and you've blown my mind tonight.
I go to a better place for you.
When I was called to the quarterfinals, I felt absolutely amazing.
We're all so proud of Chelsea and we all can't wait to see how well she does in the quarterfinals.
You're in the arms of the angels, may you find some comfort here.
Chelsea, you've done so well and you're definitely going to smash it. Good luck.
On to our fourth quarter-finalist. It's Alex.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm 13, from Jed, and I'm a quarter-finalist.
I believe that this is the right song for your audition.
You have the sweetest personality, and that goes a long way in this industry.
Alex has brought some West End-inspired performances to the competition.
This is me. This is who I am. Love me, because everybody will love me. Well done.
During Talent Search Cymru, I really loved pushing my boundaries and seeing how far I can get out of my comfort zone.
Please don't ever change, because your character comes across so well when you sing.
You really did perform that like you were in the actual musical for it.
I'm so proud, I'm so glad you got a dedication to every performance that you do. And you were dedicated to every song that you picked.
When Alex was announced as a quarterfinalist, we were really impressed and surprised and proud of how far he's come in this competition against such a diverse and talented lineup of competitors.
My favourite performance so far was Don't Rain on My Parade because I got to perform and entertain the audience.
Destined make it get ready. You are a true showman, and I stick to my comment last week. You belong on a stage. I can see you in Broadway.
I love the outfit that you're wearing. It looks absolutely spectacular. It fits the part of the song so well.
Well done on smashing that song and closing our show tonight with a fantastic performance.
I'm really happy but I'm excited, but I'm really shocked because I never thought I'd get this far.
I can already see you now on Broadway with a big choir behind you there for that moment. It was brilliant, it really was.
You just belong on Broadway, you belong in the West End, I can see you there.
I'm absolutely proud with what you've done with the song. You've definitely stepped it up.
Good luck, Alex, for the quarterfinals. Remember me, your mother and your sister are really proud of you, and just go out there and enjoy yourself.
Now let's take a look at the journey of Donna.
Hi, I'm Donna. I am 40. I'm from Morriston and I am a quarter-finalist.
To keep on! You showed plenty of power, you showed lots of sass.
You had amazing confidence as well on stage. You would never tell you're nervous. You are really.
And you'll be all dressed to be You are so much better than what you think you are.
When I was chosen for the quarter-finalist, I was shocked, to be honest, but ecstatic, really, really happy. I couldn't be happier, really. Since participating in Talent Cymru, to be honest with you, you couldn't ask for a nicer team around you. Everyone's helpful, supportive, and I have thoroughly enjoyed and learned so much already in the last couple of weeks. So my favourite performance that I've done so far on Talent Stage Cymru is probably Sunday Gone, singing Creep.
I gotta give you credit where credit's due because you've really jumped outside the box with this song.
It's such a big song, and you put the Donna stamp on it.
Which was stunning.
And the reason being is that it's probably the most comfortablest I have felt on the stage, with confidence and belief in myself. So for the quarterfinals, obviously I wasn't expecting to get this far and I am not ready to go anywhere.
It's a massive song, but you are a powerhouse and you've proved that tonight.
And like you said in the song, you'd never be forgotten. After that performance, I don't think you ever will.
Yes, the spice. You brought the spice.
This lovely lady has brought grit and sass to her performances.
And obviously because it is something that I absolutely love to do, so I will be coming and giving everything that I have got and just doing what I love to do, and hopefully, well, it'll get me through, but it'll be from here.
You are so unique, we can check anything.
There's so much diversity in your voice, so much ability.
I would love to go with my baby moves and stuff tomorrow. I was like, yes, girl, I will.
You say that I'm the only one.
Ma'am, we wish you all the best. We want you to show everybody what we know you can do, and you've been amazing so far, and we're so proud of you.
She's been here before. It's Ruby.
Hi, I'm Ruby, I'm 14 and I'm from Eberville, and I'm a quarter-finalist.
I would expect that in the final.
Pushing her vocals to new heights.
I'm super proud of myself for making it this far in the competition, and I hope I can make it further. I'm very proud of Ruby and how far she's come. She doesn't have to practice as much, but when she does do a performance, she always gives 110%. From a previous competition, a lot has changed this year round, but I feel like there's way more competition this year, and it's way harder, but I feel a lot more confident with myself and the way things are going. My favourite performance this season was Not About Angels I did last week for Inspired Artists.
And when you did do the belty note, it gave me goosebumps. It was fabulous.
But it's really nice to hear the softer side of your voice because we know you've got a lot of power.
When you took yourself up into your falsetto notes, they were so beautiful, so haunting.
They will come, they will go, make us special.
The reason that was my favourite was I feel like I could connect with the song a lot more than my previous performances. One of my favourite performances so far this series is Ruby's audition piece.
You have great control of your voice.
Lovely tone. The vibrato in your voice as well was really, really good.
I felt that performance was quite mature for your age.
I think she sang it beautifully and done the song justice. I just want to wish Ruby all the best for the quarterfinals. I know she's going to give this song 110% and she's going to smash it. So go on, Ruby, you little pocket rocket, and smash it.
Moving on to the journey of Caitlin.
Hi, my name's Caitlin Wybrow. I'm 18, I'm from Ebervale, and I'm a quarter-finalist.
I was pleasantly surprised by your performance.
You've got a really powerful voice as well, and the use of like
You've also got a massive range, which you've just shown.
Since starting Talent Search Cymru, I have enjoyed all the challenges that have been thrown at me, making new friends and performing on stage and doing what I love.
We both have demons. I think you look the most naturally comfortable up there.
Love your demons like devils can. If you're still seeing
power notes, they were so clean.
Stop deceiving, Lord, please. I still stand by my comment from last week that you're an underdog.
With her strength and versatility, it's no wonder how Caitlin is in our top 8.
When I got called through to the quarterfinals, I was shocked, but also happy because I get to perform again and push myself even more and see what else I can do vocally.
So I'm so proud of you tonight, and you know exactly why, because of that high note.
Your best performance this far.
And you've got to believe in yourself, girl.
My favourite performance so far has been week 2, the callbacks. For this I sang on my own.
A world that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love him. I love him. But only on my own.
This was my favourite performance because I got to show where my passion for music really started, and this would be musical theatre. When I first started my journey, I didn't think I'd make it this far, but now I'm here. I'm really proud of what I've done and do think that I deserve to be here.
Let's go to the journey of our youngest contestant remaining. It's Tiana.
I'm Tiana, I'm 11, I'm from Aberdeen, again I'm a quarter-finalist.
You've got a really mature sound to your voice.
that performance was stellar, and I mean stellar.
That was such a technical song, and it was flawless. It was so effortless.
I've enjoyed so many things in the process so far, but one of my favourite things is meeting new people and making new friends.
You really have risen up. I was just saying that song.
Your voice just blows my mind every time I hear you sing.
When Tiana was called into quarterfinals, I was bursting with pride.
I'm happy and excited to be in the quarterfinals. I'd never think I'd get this far, and I can't wait to go up there and perform again.
This young lady has proven to have a huge voice.
I love that performance. You are so confident, and that just beams out to you when you're on the stage.
You showed all the sass in that performance tonight.
I've enjoyed every performance so far, but my favourite performance is Inspired Artist Week.
Girl, you surprise me every week. I don't understand how you can have so much in something so small. It's unbelievable.
I just can't get over how mature you are for an 11-year-old.
Tiana's so proud of you. I really wish Gran she was here. You'd be over the moon now.
Thank you, Nan.
Oh, Tiana, we're all so proud of you for how you've come.
Thank you, Mum. You're going to smash it, Tiana.
And that's it. Ladies and gents, meet our top 8 quarter-finalists.
I can't express my gratitude. Just being able to perform with so many amazing people. I'm so inspired every single week by every single person out there, and it makes me want to work harder than I've ever worked before for anything else. And I can't be grateful enough for the opportunity. It's the most time I've ever spent with my mum in years. Just her coming up to what I'm doing. Yeah.
I'm just really proud of myself because I didn't think I'd go this far, because last competition I got quite far, but right now I'm just so proud of everyone and myself for just pushing through and doing as good as they could. So yeah.
What do you put into words? Proudness doesn't cover it. Proud of everybody that's contended so far, and the contestants, and the talent is just outstanding. But proud as punch. Wish you all the best. And follow your dreams, babe. That's all we can do. Follow your dreams.
I just can't wait to carry on, to be honest, and get my teeth stuck into another song or songs and continue to perform and do what I love to do.
I'm feeling really shocked that I got through, and I can't wait to come. We're all so proud of her, and just excited to see what she can do next time. I'm really excited. I'm really nervous as I know the competition is heated up. But I'll keep fighting for my place here and make everyone and myself proud.
I think she will. To be fair, I'm her biggest fan, I'm her biggest critic, but tonight I think you pushed her out of her comfort zone, which you need to do, but you made me so proud. I bring so much emotion to this competition, and I'm so happy.
I'm really happy, but also really shocked because I thought I'd be out first round. But I'm here, so I'm really happy and excited for the next round.
I'm very excited. I can't wait to see what happens next, and I'm just going to keep pushing and fighting. I'm really proud of you, babe.
I'm really happy but nervous that the competition is heating up, but I think I can do it.
Tiana!
And there we have it. Don't forget to tune in Wednesday the 8th of March at 6 p.m. for our live quarter-finals. It's going to be incredible.
I'm Chris, and for more content like this, hit it, hit it, hit it now, hit it, hit it, hit it now, hit, yeah, good.